A historical marker is unveiled.
It's part of the Delaware Historical Markers program. We have about 670 historical markers throughout the state, celebrating all sorts of aspects of local and community history. The new marker is to celebrate Ferry School. It was operated from 1920 to 1965 here in the Robinsonville community.
It was Native American and African American students that went here, and it was one of the last one-room schools in Delaware.
One room with 6 classes. The teacher really had it cut out for her, trying to get around to everybody during the day.
When it closed, the students moved into the Lewes Special School District as part of the desegregation movement here in the state of Delaware.
The Ferry School has lived on through the Ferry Community Center. In fact, former students say this building hasn't changed much over the years, except for a few renovations.
We try to repair it the same way it was, like the shingles. They got bad. We put very same cedar shakes and things back on. Put a roof on.
The Ferry Community Center now holds many purposes. Reverend Marjorie Belmont Burns is a pastor here.
A lot of families that grew up in this area are still connected to here and have their celebrations. We just want people in the community to know we're still here and that we want to play a vital role in their lives.
Markers like this are funded by members of the Delaware General Assembly. This one is made possible by Senator Lopez and Representatives Schwarzkopf and Smick. Over the next 4 years, they plan to unveil more of these markers at other historical schools and churches. In Lewes, I'm Mallory Metzner for WRDE, Delmarva Zone, NBC Station.